Hello guys, for today's video I will do like traffic rider mode menu. So here is the first thing. Go on Chrome. Click search and type this. Traffic rider mode APK. All you gotta do it. The safe website is this. That one. This is the safe browser, an1.com. Click it. Click this. Click that. And wait. After the timer is now gone, you click it. Click download. Click that. No. Click the. Oh no, bro. Here's the Stick War Legacy mode menu, and if you're also playing it, I will teach you how to do it. After traffic rider mode is now done, let's just wait until it's finally done. I am not famous, but I am trying not to be famous. I am from Filipino, and yeah, I am so bad at this. As you can see, let's just wait for this mode menu. This one is the best mode. This one is the best mode menu for me. It has skin. It has skin and mode menu. It's so beautiful. Waity. Now click it. Now just wait. Waity. Click. Wait until it's installing. I am just gonna sacrifice it. I'm gonna sacrifice my storage because I only have 2.5 gig, bro. Wait. Let's wait let's draw something. Two balls. Let's draw cherry right now. If you think something sus, and you know what? You're a dirty-minded. wait so mother. That is goodbye.